Hi guys, welcome back to Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're gonna do something that's the scariest thing here, right?
Yep, down wilderness trail.
We're gonna do we're gonna do that wilderness trail right in front of us. Hey, wilderness. Oh my goodness, wilderness trail. Yeah, we got our waters. We're good. We're here for an adventure.
Yeah.
We got our waters.
No running or jumping on the bridges.
Okay, so no running, Ma. No jumping, Ma.
All right. When you're done, you can come back out this way.
Okay. Thank you. Where are we going?
Oh, do you think we can survive this bridge?
I don't know. No running, Ma. No jumping, Ma. Stop bouncing, Ma. Ma, stop bouncing. Whoa. All right, you can go either way, your choice. All right. If you want to go that way, you can go that way, or you can go this way, whichever way you want, Ma. All right. With water in one hand? Oh, she's adventurous, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I don't know, Ma. What are you doing? Do I get your horses in the wheel? Nothing. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Here we go. Oh no. What are we gonna do? Can you do it, Ma? Can you get through this? It's so scary. Stop shaking it, Ma. Ma, you're shaking it on purpose. I can tell. Stop it. My Ma's so mean. Yikes. I fell over. Oh. Why is she doing this to me? Oh. She made it. Can I make it now? Yay. Oh no. Now this is where we watch Ma fall down and roll down the thing. Are you sure you want to do this? We can go back and do the other ramp. Okay. Well, if you fall down, we'll have it on camera, so. What are you doing? What were you thinking? Oh my goodness. Yeah, flip-flops. Not if you cannot. Oh. This is not her. This is not good for her. What is she thinking? All the dangers that are happening right now. Why is she making me do this? Why? It's so dangerous. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I'm so scared.
Is there another way?
This is the way you get out too.
Oh, we made it. Yay.
Well, you can stay in. I'm just going to go out.
You can go over there in the shade, or you can go in that tunnel. Okay. We're going into the little venture over here. See what's over here. What's over in this corner here, Ma? Nothing. We found nothingness. Uh-oh. Ma's finding another little adventure.
Very loud.
What? We found a noisy room. Do not enter into the noisy room area. Uh-oh. Ma's heading to the exit. Oh. Doesn't want to go to the exit yet. All right. Where's she gonna go now? Where's she going? You gonna go pan for gold? Okay. I'm gonna go this way so I'm not bumping into people. Nice little car. Mom, you want to drive a car? Yay, we found a little bridge. Yay! Look, you can pan for gold. That's kind of neat. Hey, Ma, you want to pan for gold? All right, grab yourself a thing and start panning for gold. Oh, there goes your water. Nicely done. Mom's panning for water. Uh-oh. You tried already? How about now? Here, put that in there and see if they'll get rid of the dirt. See if there's any gold in there.
Nothing.
Nothing?
No gold.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ripped off. Ripped off. No gold. Where'd it go now, Ma? You're gonna go down the tree. We're gonna go around the tree. Alright, go ahead. I'm going through the tree. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Found it. Uh-oh, you're gonna go through the cave? Oh my goodness. What are we doing? I think we're a little big to go in this. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, there's caves. There's kids in the cave. Oh no. Why are we in this cave, Ma? Oh, look. Bumper boats. Cool. All right, where are we going now? Oh. All right, this is odd. Okay. Okay, this is there an exit somewhere? Yeah. Oh, look, more bumper boats. Cool. Uh-oh, Mom said ouch. Mom said ouch, that means it's getting smaller. Oh, is she? Oh my goodness. What is she? Oh my God. Oh, we made it. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. We did it. I don't know what we did, but we did it. Okay. Okay. Where are we going now? All right. Okay.
Oh my goodness, that cave was... Sorry. Wait. Thank you.
Okay. There we go. Look at the water. That's nice. Come on, go through the tree. Go through the tree. That's a dead end. You can go through the cave. You want to go take a look through the eyepiece? You want to get out now? Are you done? Wait just to wait back to where you can. No. Okay. Let's just want to go take a look. Just another day. We got more rope swings, monkey bars. This is cool, huh? Oh, heading out. Let's get out of here. Uh-oh. No jumping or running, Ma. You've been told several times. Oh my goodness. All right. Go around the tree or go through the water, whichever you choose. All right, she's going through the water. There she goes. All right, here we go. There we go. Now keep going straight. We're gonna find our way out of here. Don't listen to the arrow. Yeah. All right, keep going. Okay. We found the secret tunnel. Now we're heading up. There's the balloons. We found the balloons. Been there, done that. All right, keep going. Duck under the tree. All right, found another bridge. Oh, no running or jumping, Mom. Remember that. Why won't you stop running and jumping?
I'm not doing that again.
No, you're heading back that way. There you go. Heading towards the exit. Heading towards the exit. And there we go. We made it. That was scary, man. Thank you. Okay. Whew. That was Wilderness Trail at the Adventure Park in Cultus Lake.
We made it.
Oh.
We should get a badge or something.
Oh, wow. Like and subscribe. And there's more from Cultus Lake, so you don't want to miss it. See you soon. Is that a bird? Is that a bird?